Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me again today. This week at Challenge Night, there was a crazy amount of people at the go-kart track. In addition to us having a giant field of 17 people for Challenge Night, which is always exciting. There was another group of racers that were having their own event there, and they had their own like 30 plus person racing event going on, so it was just a super busy time and a lot of like high level racing like the entire night, so that was really cool. As for our actual challenge night, we did Joker laps again, which is one of my favorites, as I've mentioned many times in the past. As opposed to the last video, I did not have to qualify for the feature race. I didn't have to go through that last chance qualifier again, thankfully, because that's always a nerve-wracking time to see if you're actually going to make the feature race or not. As for the feature race itself, I was actually able to execute my preferred Joker lap strategy, so I thought I was in really good shape. But I don't know, something just felt a little off. I don't know if it was the kart, or maybe I wasn't as consistent as I normally was. No, it had to be the kart. It couldn't possibly have been me. But make sure you go and watch the feature race to see what happens in that. If at any point you happen to like what you see, make sure you hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. It is the best way to help me for free. Thank you for watching.
Okay, let's go. Always a sketchy start. Oh. Yep, okay, good. Good. Oh, somebody's caught on the outside. Oh. Okay. Alright, so first lap we're not supposed to take? Oh, no. Oh, we can take it now. I'll give it a second. Yep, I got a little too close. My bad. My bad. Oh boy, it's shaking. Oh, I feel like Mercedes with the buffeting, or the porpoising. That's what I mean. Okay. If all y'all could take the Joker laps, that would be fantastic. Boy, I feel very slow in these hairpins. This kart does not feel amazing there. When can we take the Jokers? Who is in front of me? I don't know who's in front of me. I think I need to take one after this one. I think we need to take one now. Yeah, we're getting slowed down now. I see you two are taking it. Alright, never mind. Oh yeah, we wait. All day long we wait. Give me the open space. Give it to me. Kurt isn't like, it's not responding super well, but just having open space in a situation like this is great. Oh, I feel like I'm missing that apex by a wide margin. Alright, we'll just take one now. I don't think anyone's behind me, but... Oh, never mind. Let's go. We'll wait. I want the space. I want the space. Give it to me. Okay. Love having all the space. Everything is turning up Justin right now. Although it doesn't seem like I'm catching anybody, so like that seems like an issue. I need to take one here. Yeah, we gotta take one. Oh jeez, oh jeez. Oh my god. My bad. I did not expect the braking to happen right there. I thought we were turning. Yeah, I feel like I'm not fast enough on this particular one, huh? I can still get a good finish, I think. But I can't imagine I can pass Brandon. I think this is the last lap, isn't it? I think we just gotta go. Wow, Brandon's so far ahead. Nice! Alright, let's go! Oh boy. Oh boy, a lot of hitting. A lot of hitting going on. That's okay. That's okay. We'll get in line. Yep, a lot of bumping. It's okay. It's perfectly normal to start a race. Car feels pretty good though. Yep, you take it, bud. Take it. Whoa, bud. A little wide. Okay, good ticket. Okay, look at this clean air. You love to see it. Who's behind me? Oh, I took it wide because I was trying to look behind me. It's Brandon. When are we gonna have to take one? I think I actually might take one early. I wonder if I take both like immediately, if it'll turn out good for me. I'm just gonna try to take them. Let's see what happens. Clean air? Let's go, clean air, let's go! Ooh, we're sliding a little bit. I'm losing a little traction there. I feel like that is Brandon's second one that he took. There's no way he took one after I took one and then he came out this far ahead. So I feel like that was his second one. So let's try to catch up, and then we will take our last one either on the very last lap or when we catch up. Not a winning strategy, Brandon. You can't take the outside there, unfortunately. It feels like you should be able to, but you can't. Yeah, we're taking the other one now. Oh, Dave Hines! Dave! Probably can't catch you, Dave, but that's okay. I'll take a possible second at the moment. Not sure who has a joker behind me, but I feel pretty good right now. Yeah, Dave and I are pretty comparable speed at the moment, so I don't see anything happening there. That's okay. Probably nothing exciting is going to happen for the rest of this qualifier unless one of us makes a mistake. Or there's some drama with people who are taking... Have I had a stuck brake pedal this whole time? Oh my gosh, I think my brake pedal was stuck the whole time. Maybe not, maybe not. I might be overreacting. I think I'm overreacting. And then I was almost going into the wall because I was looking at my brake pedal. And then I wasn't paying attention in case somebody was coming on the outside of me from a joker lap. It's just been a great lap. Just a great lap overall. Good rolling start. Perfect. No. Can't give up. Can't give up. Okay, good. We survived. Okay, good. We might take an immediate joker. Unsure. What happened?
2 seconds later.
Nope. Oh boy. Oh boy, okay, alright. Yeah, I messed up the thing, it's okay. Okay, good. A lot of clear space. I love me some clear space. Somebody's on my butt. Wonder who that is. Man, I feel like I'm not doing that as well as I normally do. I think the cart might be a little more slippery than I expect. But whoever's behind me, I pull away in the rest of the sections. I just let off the gas a little bit there to try to slow myself a little bit down so I don't take like the complete full speed. That's like making me slide like a whole ton. Oh, that was bad. I think that's Joe behind me, I think. I lost count of how many laps it's been. I need to try to look at the lap board. Unless I catch somebody and then it'll make my life easier. Oh, there goes Brandon. It says 6 left. Oh boy, I messed up the turn because of it. Okay. I still got some time before I gotta take him. I feel like I'm not as smooth as I normally am, or it's not reacting like I normally do. But it doesn't feel like the cart is bad, so I'm doing something wrong somewhere. I feel good at every other section though. I think we probably take one. Next lap. I already lost track of how many laps it's been. I think I'll probably take one now. Yeah, we'll just take one now. Oh, you got one left too? Okay. Okay. So if I catch... I might just take it now, to be honest. Oh, there's Dave! I wonder if Dave's ahead of me. And there's Drew. Oh no! I can't imagine they're behind me. Oh boy. Man, I don't even feel like I got held up this race. Oh, not doing great there though. Nice, good job, Drew.